I used all the money from the credit card. It was $10,000 on the credit cards, plus I borrowed some money from the friends. I would say almost for 6 months, I worked just myself. I didn't have any employees. It was a kiosk. It wasn't actually a physical store. I opened at the mall. First day when I opened, I remember I sell candy for $200 and I was just crying, like crying badly. But now we have 13 physical stores plus online business. We're growing as a company and I believe we're growing super fast. My small secret that I want to give to young entrepreneurs, if you just have to go with that what you love. If you love something, search about it, work there.